unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Stomach growling isn't just about hunger. It's your digestive system moving gas and fluids through your intestines. Stress or anxiety can also trigger these noises, even when you're not hungry. Sometimes, persistent growling might indicate digestion issues like irritable bowel syndrome. So next time your stomach rumbles, it could be saying more than just "feed me."
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.